I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found apps, click on it. You come to this list and here you're looking for 7-Eleven app, just click on it here or just click on search. Add here 7-Eleven, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to this list here, click on Forcestop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just uh, go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. You search here for 7-Eleven app, it's going to show for you like this. You found here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.